Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, your favorite programmer. Today we're gonna solve another LeetCode problem called move zeros. Okay, so given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Now that you must do this in place without making a copy of an array. So we cannot use another array to put the values. We just have to modify the existing existing array. Okay, and then here's the example. So 0 1 0 3 1 2, so we just have to give an output of 1 2 3. So we push these numbers forward and then just put these zeros backwards. How are we gonna do it? Let's discuss real quick. Okay, so we're gonna use two pointers method. Let's say we have this array here. We're gonna have x and then index x and index I. So we're gonna check for non-zero elements. Okay, we're gonna check at index I if it's non-zero, but it is 0, so we're gonna skip. The index I will be incremented to go to 1, but the x will remain at the same place. Okay, we will not increase the x. Then we check if it is a non-zero element at I, it's non-zero or not. It is non-zero, so we're gonna switch position of x and y. We're gonna switch positions of elements, so it's gonna be 1 here and it's gonna be 0 here, and then we increment the x by 1 place, and then I will go on, it will get incremented. It will check if it's non-zero. It is 0, so we'll still can continue. We will check if it's non-zero. It is true because it is non-zero, so we're gonna have to switch. Let's change, let's swap the values here. It becomes 0, then x got increases, and then I got increases by 1 place. We check if it's non-zero. It is non-zero, so we're gonna switch 12 to index at x, and then it's 0, and then we're done with the loop and everything in its own place. So let's just code, guys. Okay, we're gonna have an int non-zero index equals 0. Run a for loop for int I equals 0 while i's less than nums of length I plus plus. Okay, we're gonna increment. So we're gonna check if the element, okay, at nums at I is a non-zero. If it is non-zero, then we're gonna swap the positions, okay, of element at x and element at I. Okay, so in temp, this is how you swap the value. Okay, and in temp equals nums of non-zero index, and then int then we're gonna do nums of non-zero index equals to nums at I, then nums at I equals temp, right? So we just switched the positions of the elements, and then let's go to the part. Then as soon as we switch them, we have to increment the non-zero so that it changes position index plus plus. Okay, and then that's it. It's pretty much all. That's all the logic we had. That's all the logic we need to make this thing run. Okay, so let's just check before we run this nums. Okay, we take this, put it here. Okay, check, perfect. Let's run. Okay, we got accepted. Submit. Okay, so our algorithm is not bad. It's pretty fast. Okay, so the runtime is order of n. Okay, so the runtime is order of n, and the space complexity is O of constant time. Okay, O of 1. Okay, so time complexity t equals order of n, and then space complexity equals constant space, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or what video you want me to do next or which problem should I solve next, you can comment on the video under the comment section. make sure to subscribe. It gives me a lot of motivation, guys. And so thank you very much. Have a good day.